Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Table Tennis Training Camp 2023 in China. Hello, welcome back to PingSunday. I'm EmRatThich. How are you today? Do you want to go to China and participate in the Table Tennis Training Camp for free? Yes, it's great news today. Table tennis training in Shanghai, China is coming back. Invitation for the Table Tennis Training Camp. I have got the invitation from Miss Xu and Miss Zhang, the organizer of the training camp in Shanghai, associated with Shanghai University of Sport. More information is on PingSunday.com. The college will provide participants training place, related learning materials, urban transportation, hospitality, as well as professional training team for free. Enrollment of 2023 Summer School China Table Tennis College is the first professional institution of table tennis in the world, which jointly established by Shanghai Municipal Government and Chinese Table Tennis Association. It is located in Shanghai with teaching, training, scientific research, and international communication. It also has degree education of undergraduate, master, PhD, as well as the mission of cultivating outstanding youths. We hold the summer school every year in order to further promote the development of world table tennis and improve the technical level of the youths from various countries. 1. Enrollment target. The summer school this year will recruit at least 20 young foreign table tennis athletes between the age of 16 to 25 from all over the world. 2. Condition: the players need to know and speak English or Chinese well for better communication. 3. Arrangement: this summer school will begin from the 20th of June to the 20th of July. The date will be modified based on the actual situation. The 20th of June will be the arrival day, and the 20th of July will be the departure day. The activities will last from the 21st of June to the 19th of July. Students will have table tennis techniques and tactics training, table tennis cultural communication, and related sightseeing tours, etc. The event aims to improve the technical level of table tennis players and expand their horizons to better promote the common development of world table tennis. Students will be housed in double rooms at the overseas students' apartments on the campus with private bathroom and laundry facilities. 4. Applications submit following materials by email. 1. Personal information form. 2. Your passport copy. Scan it. 3. Your exact email address. Later information contact. The closing date is the 30th of April, 2023.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.